Everybody, down here with Dinner Reviews, and if you're tired of losing those veggies or those shrimps through those grill grates, you have to see this. This here is the rolling grill basket, and it's a total game changer for outdoor cooking. The first thing you're going to notice here is this unique cylindrical mesh design. Instead of a standard over the grill flipping individual pieces of food, you can just roll this basket over the grill, right? Getting every piece evenly cooked. This allows everything inside to heat perfectly, even giving you great charred taste on every single bite. It's made of a high quality 304 stainless steel. This is built to withstand high temperatures with no rusting or corroding. And one of my favorite features is that it has this removable wooden handle, so it just unscrews. So we can unscrew this wooden handle, but what this handle gives us is that it allows us to securely grip this without having to burn our hands. So we can easily just be tossing and turning this, having a good distance from the grill to make sure our hands don't get burned and keeping it away from the heat. This set actually comes with 2 nesting baskets, which is great because you can cook your main and your side dish at the exact same time. And what I like about these and why I went with this one is that, again, when you're done, these are nesting. So this is how we're gonna open it up. You can take the handle off. One side opens, this side will not come off, which is nice. It keeps it secure. Put all your veggies, shrimps, or anything else you wanna cook in there. But when you're done and you clean these, you can unscrew the handles. All right, they just unscrew off, give everything a wash. Pull your little lid off, right? You can see here that came off nicely. You can tuck everything into like the smaller one. So we'll throw everything into here. Your handles go in there. You can put your lid back on for this one. Throw it in, fits nice and neatly in there. And then you put your lid on this one, and there you go. You have it. You can just go ahead and tuck this under the grill or in the pantry, and those 2 now became this one, and everything's nicely, neatly in here for your next grilling session. So this is great for storage. It's perfect for camping or for picnics. If you want to take this on your next barbecue, this is a game changer. You can level up your cooking. You can make sure your shrimp is secure, and I highly recommend adding this to your grilling kit.